Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reset DJI RC2 controller. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first turn on your controller by pressing the power button once and then pressing and holding it. Now swipe down twice from the top of the screen to open the full quick settings panel, and then tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner, just like so. Go scroll down to the bottom of the Android settings menu and select system. Select uh, reset options and tap erase all data factory reset. Once you do that, tap the final erase all data. As you can see, the controller will reboot and clear all storage files. And yeah, this is how you can reset DJI RC2 controller. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next